Hi, early childhood education students. So I had a good question. I had a student say that they weren't sure where to see their assignments or so they know what to do. So if you see my screen now and you see that there's an agenda. So what you want to do is your agenda tells you to complete Unit 1 1.1 podcasts and any unsubmitted assignments. So to find those assignments, you're going to go over to modules. So we're going to go to modules, and you guys should already be through the syllabus. So here's all of Unit 1. Now, the problem is that I think you guys are jumping over here to the Dropbox. If you see here Unit 1 text questions Dropbox, you see that that's where you turn it in. But the assignment before that says text questions, that's what you can see that explains what you're supposed to do. So you want to go to the text questions. You're going to, as soon as it pulls up, sorry, it's kind of slow. And you'll see that it says Unit 1 text questions, and you should complete them. And there they're all listed, the review questions and the critical thinking questions. Okay, you should only complete those after you have read the lesson. So if you go back to module, you'll see that there's the unit title. So we're going to start there. And in your assignments, you had been told, read this lesson, that kind of thing. So you go in the modules and you click on that. And you can see that it says child care roles and obligations. So you've got that. Now we're going to click next here at the bottom right border. And we're going to go to the next thing, which is your unit summary. And you're going to read this. Sorry, my computer's kind of slow today. There's your Unit 1 summary. You're going to read that. Again, you're going to click the bottom right to the next. If you hit the play button, it'll read it to you. Your next questions is your unit objectives. This is what you're going to learn. After you read that, again, if you hit play, it will read it to you. Then you can click next, and you'll start through your lessons. And you'll see lesson 1 pop up here, and you need to read that or listen to it. And that you should have already done that. And as you go through all this, that's your Unit 1, Lesson 1 that you'll go through. Okay? Again, all your information is here in the modules. You're going to want to look at these after you know what you're supposed to do. Now you might ask, okay, what am I missing? So if you go here to your grades, and we bring up your grades, you're going to see, sorry, again, taking a little bit. You're going to see, hey, I'm missing the Unit 1 text questions Dropbox. Okay, if you click on this, it's only going to take you to the Dropbox. That's not going to do you any good. You need to go, Unit 1 text questions is what you need to do. So you're going to go to the modules. You're going to look down here. I'm in Unit 1. Down here to my text questions, not the Dropbox. That's where you turn it in. Text questions is what you need to click on because that tells you what to do. You'll click on that. The text questions come up, and then you're going to answer them in a word processing document, like Microsoft Word, something like that. You're going to answer all these questions as it tells you to, and then you're going to submit them to the next page, which is your actual Dropbox. All right. I look forward to meeting with you guys. I'm actually going to have a meeting on Thursday where I'm going to meet with you guys in person. But please remember, you need to get all these assignments in as quickly as possible. If you have any questions, you can text me, you can call me, you can email me, and I can meet with you guys. Thanks.